How to save WhatsApp audio in iPhone. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, you have to head over to your application WhatsApp. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Once you're in the home page, move into the inbox of the person from which you want to save the audio. Let's say this is the audio that you want to save. First of all, click on it and check whether it plays or not. Now, if you really want to save, tap and hold the voice message. You can see there is no any option in order for you to save this audio. But in case if the audio has been sent as a file, then you'll be able to see the save option. In that case, tap on save and save the audio. But if the option is not available, then all you can do is swipe down the screen and you can enable screen recording. After that, play the audio and record it. It will be directly saved into your gallery and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.